um, how can you simplify this type of one? How can you remove the bracket here? Already you learned really, you were taught last year, then how to remove the bracket here. Then x into x is x squared, that x times x is x squared, and also here plus, here minus, plus into minus minus, 7 times x 7x. Then how do you do this one? X times x plus 7, then x into x is x squared, and here plus 7 into x 7x. So and also, how do you simplify this one? Remove bracket and simplify this one. So here plus, here plus, here plus. Plus into plus is plus x squared. So plus into plus is plus x squared, x into x is x squared, and also plus into minus minus, and x times 7x, minus into plus minus, 3 times x is 3x, minus times minus, plus 3 times 7 21. So and also x squared. So you know that how to do this type of one. So minus 7 minus 3 is minus 10. Minus 7 minus 3 is minus 10. These are some things really you learned previously. So minus 7x minus 3x should be minus 10x. So here plus 21. This term, this expression cannot be simplified more. So anyway, the answer is x squared minus 10x plus 21. So the reason you can't simplify you can't simplify these terms more. These are unlike terms. This x squared term cannot be simplified with this x and this digit as well. So the fourth question is how to multiply this type of one, right? How to simplify this type of one. Firstly, what should you do here really? You need to close this one. I mean this one. When you close this one, you could see then the remaining terms here. Then when you close this one, the remaining term, wait, I'll write here y minus 3. So you need to close this one here. Then right now you could see this y and this y plus 7. Then y times y plus 7. After that you can close this one. Then the remaining terms you could see minus 3 and 3 times minus 3 times y plus 2. First you need to close this one. Then you could see these terms, I mean y and y plus 2. After that this one. Then remaining terms minus 3 times x y plus 2. So x in y into y is y squared. Then here plus into plus, and also y into 2y, minus into plus minus 3 times y is 3y, minus times plus minus 3 times 2 is 6, and also y squared. Then plus 2 and minus 3, plus 2 and minus 3 when you simplify, greater digit is negative, then 3 minus 3 is 1, plus 2x minus 3x is minus 1x, and here minus 6. The answer here, y square minus 1x minus 6 is the answer. Let's do a question. Now this one, x minus 10 times x plus 2, x minus 10 times x plus 2. So you could close this one. Then the remaining terms you could see x and x plus 2, and also you are able to close, you can close this term as well here. So then here you could see minus 10 and x plus 2. Now you could simplify, you could remove the brackets here, x times x is x squared, here plus into plus is plus, x into 2x, and also here minus minus into plus minus, 10 into x 10x, minus into plus minus, 10 times 2 is 20. Now x squared plus 2 and minus 10 can be cancelled out. Here negative 10 minus 2 is 8. Plus 2x minus 10x is minus 8x minus 20. This is the answer. Now, I'm going to teach you then, really these two sums are met in miscellaneous exercise in your textbook, right? So, I taken these sums from your textbook. So, in miscellaneous exercise, these sums can be found, right? So, these are the questions. The first question here, it has given that this is x plus 2 and this is next one is x plus 1. from here to here x plus 2. What you need to do here, you need to find the area of this segment, area of this plane figure. Then according to my knowledge, we've not been given here units, right? So if the unit is cm, then the answer is taken in cm square. If the unit is meter, then the answer is taken in meter square. Let's calculate the area of this part. Here is a rectangular part. This part also a rectangular part. Then you know generally the way of getting the area of a rectangular part, that you could multiply this one. I mean this value and this value. I could mark this one as capital A and this part as capital B. According to your willingness, you could mark these two divided segments as capital A and B. So the area of capital A can be taken that, length into breadth. So x plus 3 times x plus 2. And what is our purpose? Getting the area of this plane figure. And x into x plus 2, and the other one I taught you previously, 3 times x plus 2. X into x is x squared. X into 2 is 2x. 3 times x is 3x. Here 3 times 2 is 6. So x squared plus 2x plus 3x is 2x plus 3x is 5x. X squared plus 5x plus 6. The area of this part A is x squared plus 5x plus 6. And also we are able to get the area of this part B as well, so that we can get the answers easily. I mark these places of these segments as capital A and capital B. So x plus 1 times x plus 2, the area x plus 1 times x plus 2. So x into x plus 2 plus 1 times this is the area of B. So x into x plus 2 and plus 1 into x plus 2. So here x into x squared, I write the answer here, x into x squared, x into 2x and x into 2x, 1 into x and 1 into 2 is 2. So the answer is x squared plus 2x plus x is 3x, x squared plus 3x plus 2 is the area of this part, area of B. So now we can get the area of this whole diagram. Then area of A, we've taken that x squared plus 5x plus 6. Area of B, we've taken that x squared plus 3x plus 2. We can, so as to get the area of this whole figure, we can add this value and this value. I mean, how do we add really? You could add these two taken areas of these plane parts. Area of A is x squared plus 5x plus 6, and the area of part B we taken as x squared plus 3x plus x squared plus 3x plus 2. So right now we could get the area of this whole diagram here, 1x squared, 1x squared. This term and this term can be added, that's x squared and x squared and x squared, 2x squared. And also this part and this 5x and 3x can be added as 8x squared, 8x, and this 6 and this 2 we could write as 8, 6 plus 2 is 8. So the area of this plane figure can be taken as 2x squared plus 8x plus 8. Yes. And also we could do a question here, yes, it has given, we need to verify, right? Verify. How could we verify here that it has given that 2 minus x times 4 minus x equals to, here this one also a question which is met in your textbook, x squared minus 8x plus 8. This is the relation. We need to verify that considering that x equals to 2. We being given that, you need to substitute that. How do you verify really? You could substitute that x equals 2 here, this side as well, and eventually taken answers you need to equal, right? So that we can equal taken answers, we could simplify here. Then x equals 2 here, then 2 minus 2, then this is given in the question. Then instead of this 2 we have written 2 here, then here multiplication, and 4 minus 2 here, x equals 2. And also this side, when it comes to this side, x equals 2 squared, 6x means 6 times 2, and also plus 8. 2 minus 2 is 0 really. 4 minus 2 is 2, and 2 square, 2 times 2 is 4. Then here 6 times 2 is 12 plus 8, and also 4 minus 12 is 8 minus 8, and this plus 8. Then 0 times 2 is 0. Then 8 minus 8 plus 8 equals 0. So we verified this, that when x equals to 2, that both sides are equals. Okay, so really another value also we being given to prove that the value is here. We need to substitute that x equals to minus 2 here. Really, when we multiply, when we substitute that x equals to minus 2 really, then here is a very important question. I do think so. So learn this part properly. I mean, when x equals to minus 2, we are going to prove that these two segments, two sides are equals. Right? We are going to prove that, we are going to verify that this side equals to this side. I mean, left hand side equals to the right hand side, right? Generally, this is the formal way of teaching, but anyway, no need of writing all these things. But anyway, eventually you should have taken the answer over here that left side equals to the right side. So here x equals to minus 2 here. When this value is minus 2, really what do we do here? Then this value needs to be written here, this sign needs to be written here, x equals to minus 2 here, right? And also you need to put the bracket here, otherwise this the answer that we are going to get is wrong. Then here minus, and 4 minus, then x equals to minus 2 here, right? X equals to minus 2 here, and also equals to x equals to minus 2 here, and minus 2 squared, then x equals minus 2 here. Very carefully you need to substitute these values, don't forget it. And right now when I write the value of negative value here, then what I've written here brackets. Unless you write a bracket, you won't be able to get the proper answer here. So let's remove the brackets right now. Then minus times minus really plus, then minus times minus plus, and here as well, minus times minus plus, then 4 plus 2, and equals to minus 2 square is 4, minus times minus is plus, 6 times 2 is 12, this plus 8 should be added here. Then 2 plus 2 is 4 here really. Then 2 plus 2 4, 4 times 2 is 4 plus 2 is 6. So here also 4 plus 12 is 16 plus 8 24. Really, 4 times 6 is 24. Therefore, 24 equals to 24. This relation also you could show that okay when the value of x is minus 2. So don't forget, this question is very vital, very important when it comes to your paper. So learn that how to substitute and how to get the proper answer of these types of questions as well. So if you are a new student to my YouTube channel, you can subscribe the channel and share with your friends, and also you can join our online maths classes as well. Okay, thanks a lot.